Hi guys, this is just a follow-up. This is Michelle. I am your expat, Life Evolved, and I am here to follow up on a video I just did about moving to Boquete. So, if that's something you want to hear, please listen in. Before I even moved to Boquete, I already know one thing. It's going to be completely different than Panama City. If you hear out behind me, you hear that what I'm working with this morning. And honestly, that's exactly why I'm doing it. If you're thinking about moving to Panama or even just leaving a busy city for something slower and more peaceful, then this is a conversation you might want to hear. Because in my opinion, Boquete is not Panama City. It's not even close. So, like I said, I love the city. It's beautiful. But as you can hear behind me, it does get loud. So, let me be real with you. Panama City has everything: modern buildings, great health care, restaurants, nightlife, a chance for you to get with your friends, build a big community, just do some awesome and fun things. But it also comes with noise, hence behind me, traffic, a higher cost of living based on your lifestyle, and a constant fast pace of things just moving, moving, moving. And after a while, that starts to wear on you. At least it did for me mentally. For me, it wasn't just about money, although that is important. It's also about peace of mind and mental health. Because let's face it, I came to Panama to experience a freer mindset, less stress, less things going on. That is not exactly what's happening here in Panama City. Boquete is different. It's quieter, it's cooler, it's surrounded by mountains and nature, which feeds into my sense of calm. The lifestyle there feels intentional, not just rushed and not chaotic, just slower, but in a good way. There's something I didn't even realize I needed until I started spending more time here. My nervous system is hooked on US pace. Like it is very challenging for me to relax and calm down because my body is stuck in a fight or flight mode. It does not relax. So I'm looking to have that part of my system reset. Now, of course, the cost of living is lower in Boquete. I'm going from, as I mentioned, an apartment for about $1,800 in rent with people above, below, and on side of me to a house that is separated from everyone to around $1,000 a month in Boquete. Utilities will be a lot lower because I don't need as much. A lot of things come with the house. But honestly, that's not even the biggest reason I'm moving. And let me say this honestly, Boquete is not, not for everyone. If you need constant attention, nightlife, or big city convenience, you like to hang out a lot, you like to go to a lot of functions, you might be bored out there. Healthcare access is different too. Here, you can just walk around the corner and down the street, and you have access to a major hospital. And Boquete is different. And I will do a video breaking that down on how access is down there in Boquete. So this isn't me saying that Boquete is better. No, it's just better for me where I am right now in my life. So I just wanted to break it down a little bit further so that you'll understand a little bit better as to what I'm thinking. I haven't fully moved yet as I am packing up now. My move out date is around the 31st of March. I'm making that transition very, very soon. So you're going to see this in real time with me. I'll be doing some videos of packing and how I'm moving because the process is different here. You'll see the good, the adjustments I had to make. And yes, even the things I might not like because it's not 100% guaranteed that everything will work the way I want it to work or even work smoothly. So if you're curious about Boquete or you may be thinking about a move like this, drop me a comment and tell me what you think. What would you like to see next? What are some of the things that concern you about making a move to another area? Is it the cost of living? Is it health care, day to day lifestyle, or anything that you would find that you would find maybe interesting? Because I'm documenting this whole journey for you, and trust me, there's a lot more to come. There may be some things that help you along the way. So I just wanted to come back at you and just let you know a little bit more of what I'm thinking and realize that this is just the beginning of this journey. So I will be having a lot more to share. I also have partnered with a company that can help you in your relocation process. If that is something that you're wanting to do, I would drop that link in my bio, and which is already there, but I'll also drop it at the end of this video. This is a company that can help you get started with all of your process. If that's something that you're thinking about, whether it's Panama City, whether it's Boquete, or whether it's Coronado, there are so many areas here in Panama that you have access to. And I just want you to keep in mind that moving to another country, it requires you to be open minded, be a little bit fluid, just in case you get to where you're going and it's not specifically what you thought it was. You might have to flip the script and try something different as to what I am doing right now. So I want to thank all you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing and continuing to follow me and support me today. And thank you again for tuning in. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you along on the journey. And we are close to 500 subscribers. So it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Come on in and join the family and let's keep this moving. All right. Talk to you later and thank you again. Bye bye.